Good morning, everyone. I'm here to tell you a story about the Tower of Babel. So let's get started. So there is a town called Babylon, and they wanted to build a tower that goes up to heaven. So they agreed to build it. So they keep building it until they go to heaven. So God came down to see what they were building, and the people who were building, they think that they're working for themselves. So they got angry. So God came down and mixed the language. When they talk, they don't understand what they're saying. So they got angry and mad, so they split up. And that is that place where God makes the languages. So guys, don't be pride over God. Be gentleness. It will be gentleness. God will bless you. So guys, have a great day. Bye.